name is Megan Davis. I'm from Detroit, Michigan, 32 years old, mother of two, choir director, hairdresser. I just love music, and that's me. That's pretty much who I am. I'm singing You're All I Need to Get By. I think when you know that you love somebody and the good, the bad, the ugly, it just doesn't change, that love that you feel, like you're really all I need, just you, not my expectations of you. This song is kind of challenging, but I'm getting it. I'm working through it. I'm finding like, okay, place it there, and I'm that's building the confidence. I think because music was my safe space to share it with others was always like, oh, but what if they don't like it? Or what if I don't sing this right? So that kind of kept me from doing a lot of things, even though I've done a lot. I think I shied away from certain opportunities just because of fear alone. I'm ready to just get out and share my voice, my words, my heart, because I feel like that's where my heart is in music.